My name is Daniel, and I'm a student athletic trainer at the San Francisco State University program. Today we'll be teaching you how to do cardiac auscultations. First, what we want to do is use our stethoscope. We're going to put it on, and first thing we want to listen for is the aortic valve, which is in the second right intercostal space at the right sternal border. For our second placement, we're going to be hearing for the pulmonic valve. For the pulmonic valve, we're going to hear in the second left intercostal space at the left sternal border. For our third placement, we're going to be listening for the second pulmonic valve. The second pulmonic valve will be located at the third intercostal space at the left sternal border. For our fourth placement, we're going to be listening for the tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve is in the fourth intercostal space along the left sternal border. So the placement will be right here. For our fifth and final location will be listening to the mitral valve. The mitral valve is located in the fifth intercostal space at the apex of the heart. Its location will be directly right underneath.